In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Remitly transfer failed with charge. So if your transfer has failed but Remitly still charge you with this, what you can do is you can head over and then see right here how we can address this information. As you can see right here, we have in here this user wherein Remitly failed to deliver the payment because the transfer indeed failed. What you can do is you can first verify the transfer status log. So with this, you can see that your transfer has failed. So this should be able to initiate a program within Remitly to actually send you back the money that was charged. So do take note that the refund timeline may vary across different payment methods. If you chose credit card as your payment method, it will take around 3 to 5 business days for your actual account to be back onto the charge itself. However, if you use bank, it may take around 10 working days. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.